Hi everyone! Have you ever installed a new laptop screen only to find it completely black? Let's uncover why this happens. Watch carefully. This brand new screen gets properly connected, but stays completely dark on startup. Now connecting via HDMI, the external display works perfectly. Could this new screen be defective? Let's test the screen with our LCD diagnostics tool. It lights up normally, so the new screen is good and functional. This tells us the problem isn't your screen, but where it connects internally. Could it be a problem with the motherboard? Let's test the motherboard. See this multimeter? The interface shows abnormal voltage. Next, I will repair the motherboard. Our motherboard has separate display pathways, built-in screen circuit, and HDMI output. They work independently. That's why external displays still function, while the internal screen fails. Repair completed. Let's test if the motherboard is functioning properly. Perfect. Motherboard fully revived. Let's reconnect the new screen. Successful boot with crisp display. The screen is working now. Why the new screen goes black is that the motherboard circuit for the internal screen is defective, not an issue with the screen itself. If you're not sure, you can reconnect your old screen and will find that old screen is black too.